Hello everyone, welcome again to a Twitch 101 tutorial series. My name is Muir, and this video I will be showing you how to follow a streamer on twitch.tv. If you've been following the series so far, you will have created an account and attached your Twitch account to your Amazon Prime account, which will enable you to give a Prime subscription to a streamer of your choice every single month. To follow someone on Twitch, what you need to do is, first of all, go to twitch.tv. Then you will need to find the streamer that you want to follow. Just for the sake of this video, I'm going to use my own channel, Dragonne. So you can find their channel one of two ways, either by searching them in the search bar, or if you know their channel name, you can also type it in the address bar. So it would be twitch.tv/Dragonne. Once you are on the streamer's channel, it is very easy to follow them. All you do is you click on the follow heart, which is located underneath the video here on the right hand side. It is a purple button with a heart on it. Click that follow button and you will be following that streamer. You will notice a bell right next to the heart. That is for notifications. By default, Twitch has notifications turned on. So that means that when that streamer goes live, if you are logged into Twitch, you will be notified that that streamer has gone live, and then you will be able to catch their stream from the very beginning. And it really is that simple to follow someone on Twitch. I hope that you have enjoyed this very brief tutorial on how to follow streamers on Twitch. Next video, I will be going on how to subscribe to a streamer now that you have followed them. Please feel free to comment down below with the name of the streamer that you have followed. If it's me, thank you very much. If it's someone else, put their name down below in the comments and let us know why we should follow them. I'll check them all out and maybe give them a follow as well.